Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI.
This gooseneck kettle by KLEAH is so gorgeous. Not only is this color absolutely gorgeous, but the wooden handles are so beautiful as well, and the handle is so perfect for grasping. The gooseneck spout is perfect for pouring your hot water into whatever hot beverage that you're wanting, and you can even get a really nice twirl going with the water pouring out. The inside of this kettle is nice and deep, so you can get lots of water to make whatever hot beverage you want. What's nice is that the keep warm will stay on for 2 minutes. What's great is that you can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and turn the knob to whatever temperature you want your hot water to be. You can even put it on mute so that you don't hear the beeping. I absolutely love using this kettle.
And that's my point of view.